side.
Kabilang side sila.
Diyan na sila.
Saan?
Tankers.
Okay. Hold. Tankers in front. 13, meron pa tayong 2 seconds.
Ayun, Smith Toes, ha?
2 seconds. Oh, nawala yung mga feud, no? Nawala yung mga feud, man.
Nawala.
Push backline now. Go backline. Guardians out. Defense remittance on.
Okay.
Needles out. Tornadoes out. Look at their DPS. Wipe their DPS. Cecil, look at Cecil. Cecil is dead.
Patay.
Wipe them all out. We win this, boys. Keep killing. Look at their DPS. Tingin sa backline. Push harder on backline. Iwan nyo muna yung Riftstone. Cecil is back here. Dito sa likod. Cecil.
Okay, hili kita, bakit?
Keep pushing. On.
Ay. Non-bow.
Push tayo dito, boys. Alis kayo dyan, boys. Alis kayo sa Riftstone. Isa lang yung pinapatay nyo dyan, boys. Dito. Iwan nyo lang muna yan dyan. Iwan nyo muna yung Riftstone. Patay.
Nice sleep.
Push harder sa backline. Push harder dito sa backline. Smith Toes is in the back. Kill natin yung Smith Toes.
Tatlong pinapa... Hindi mapatay si NB. Let's go.
Loko to, Jay.
Wala.
Fine, it's fine.
Na-burst ka.
I can tank a few.
One botras.
Keep calling names. Call names. If may mamamatay, keep call names.
Ichigo ramen. Sa likod, backline, Ichigo ramen.
Well played.
Smith Toes, low.
Ako.
Flash wave.
Well played.
Nag-tornado ako.
I'm dead. Ang lalim ko doon. Pag babalik kayo, teleport kayo to Portal 3.
Si Ping, i-heal nyo, guys.
Ayos ba yun?
Ayos yun.
Sige, hello. Nail kita.
Nice. Well played. I'm gonna die here, I think. Gonna try to survive. Keep pushing.
Nice.
Okay, tinatry nilang i-burst. Binaburst nila yung caller, Keep going, Kazuha QT, call mo muna.
Sige.
2J, keep calling 2J.
Yeah.
Call names.
Bibi
Okay,
Mango,
slow tayo, pabalik tayo ng Riftstone.
Copy.
Pabalik ng Riftstone. Dahan-dahan lang, tornadoes out. Collision lang. Slow back. Pabalik tayo ng dahan-dahan. Pag nag-respawn ka, go to Portal 1. Hug nyo na yung Riftstone. Capture na. Start capturing.
Tatas muna ako.
Dito lang nakakapture.
Capture. Kung sino yung mga ina-point ko, Pink, Power Ranger, Malegant, and Envy. Pink Power Ranger is capturing. Hold natin to. Tingin sa backline, boys. May mga low doon sa backline na lang.
30 seconds pa nila. 30 seconds.
Fine.
Konting heals, guys. Thank you.
Sumaligan daw, heal. Liver. Heal kita.
Thanks. Ay, tangki pala ito. Okay. Tungkulan.
Tingin sa backline.
Okay, boss Maligan, inil
I'm
kita.
receiving burst. I'm gonna die here.
Smith Toes, low.
Good.
Fizzle. Smith Toes. Trapping,
Coming back.
patay mo yan, Smith.
Backline.
Guys.
Ay, ends na.
Toes.
Tapos na yung PvP pa rin. Let's go.
Ano? Wait, what?
Hindi.
Okay pa yan, si NB.
Occupying pa.
Occupying pa? Kasi yung sabi dito, ends in 4 minutes.
Hindi, ito nga yun. Yung event mismo, event proper.
Oh, okay.
Bugbog ako, help.
Okay, returning. Go to Portal 1 and return.
Thank you.
Naku po.
Slip bomb kami,
Got it. Boys, atras tayo pabalik ng Riftstone, boys. Atras tayo pabalik ng Riftstone. Atras, pabalik ng Riftstone. We should hug the Riftstone. Hug the Riftstone. Dito tayo mag-brawl. Dito tayo mag-brawl.
Bakit hilo? Tayo ko muna dyan.
Okay, ready. Tornadoes out, tornadoes out, tornadoes out, tornadoes out. Flash waves, boys. Flash waves in 3, 2, 1. Release now, release now, release now. Smokes out, smokes out, smokes out, smokes out, smokes out. Go to their backline, 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 backline. Ang hirap, ano. Sige, to J, call.
Yeah. Sige,
Gusto nila ko hard focus.
Yeah.
Kailangan ko mag-watch.
Heal kita. No.
Sakit ng flash wave niya. I'm gonna
Sa
return.
Riftstone na sila. Brawl guys. Sa loob guys.
Brawl.
Ngayon, nasa atin pa rin. Dito lang kayo sa loob guys. Sa loob lang kayo guys.
Redstone. Go deep sa backline nila, boys. Go deep sa backline nila. Go deep sa backline nila. Go deep. Dito kay Cleo. Gonna try to pick off this healer. Dead.
Nice.
Mas marami ata sila sa loob.
Mythos is almost dead. Hug natin yung Riftstone. Hug yung Riftstone. I'm gonna die here.
Hindi. Heal kita. Nako. Stun ako.
It's fine. Return.
Okay, lamang
Roll
pa
tayo
rin
dun sa
kayo.
Riftstone.
Yeah, inside lang guys.
Riftstone tayo, boys. Compress tayo dun sa Riftstone. Spread out lang ng kaunti and then aim natin patayin yung kanilang mga DPS.
Yeah.
Should die there. Here. Nice. I'll try to pick up this healer.
BB Mango. Healer. Buster Roshi, low.
Cecil is here, almost dead. Look at Cecil. Cecil.
Pain.
Look at Cecil. Nandun sa Riftstone. Nandito sa Riftstone.
Grabe yung brawl. Ayun, sorry.
Bibigay lang.
I'm gonna die here. Survive. Thank you for healing.
Manalo na tayo.
Roll dito sa Riftstone.
Loot and fail to capture.
Ayan, guys, 1 minute.
Needles out.
Cozy.
Huge clump. Flash
Kinuha nila
waves
kahit
on the clump.
Nice cancel.
Well played.
Ichigo Ramen, low. DPS yan, guys.
Tingin sa backline, boys. Tingin sa backline.
Heal kita nun, boss.
In the back. Yan, Cleo. Huliin ko, Cleo. Nice.
Smito, slow. Nice, Leo. Nice, Lombo. Lorgar low, tsaka Ichigo Ramen. Master Roshi low.
Balik sa Riftstone. Compress ulit sa Riftstone. Flash waves, ready? 3, 2, 1. Release.
CC low. Patay. Nice one, hello. Ayun. No, numbers agad.
Ako. Epe pa ako na Ichigo Ramen ha.
Oo nga eh.
Nakita ko.
I'm gonna die here, I think. Nice one. Nice save.
No!
Gago same shit.
Half M damage.